Thought I'd do a quick walk around of the 76 TR6 that I restored with my son in my garage over a period of about a year and a half. I've done lots of videos of it and its carburetor phases, so might as well do a walkthrough. So this is obviously a 76 with a British Racing green. I'll just do a little walk around. Actually painted this car inside my garage. Turned out okay considering it was a garage paint job. As you can see, I lost the door lock to one of the doors. I've got the new ones inside the house, just waiting to put on one of these days. Originally, I didn't have the luggage rack on the vehicle, but I decided to put one on, and I think it was from a Spitfire because it's a little small, but I like the chrome, so there we go. Let me open up the trunk so you can see inside. I've got a little kicker subwoofer there for my audio system. On the inside, I have the Motolita 13-inch leather-wrapped steering wheel. Dashboard, I re-veneered it with cherry wood. Had the dials reworked, original dials and gauges, just reworked. The carpeting and trim work from Skinnerd in the UK. I have these Suffolk seats. They're nice, not my cup of tea. They're a little tall for me, and I might put the original seats back in after I get the upholstery kit. Little speakers just sitting there in the back. Let me show you the engine. There's the engine. Powder coated the valve cover in red. Thought it'd be different than the typical silver. I had put a Petronix electronic ignition kit in it, but I had to take it off because it wasn't working quite well. As you can see, we have triple SU carburetors. All emissions components have been removed from the vehicle. I've got the stainless steel shroud there for the radiator cooling. Original windscreen. Different seat belt. The old ones, the original ones, were pretty old and not functioning. Have the 4-speed with the electric overdrive, which works fine. The rev counter reads about 100 RPMs higher than it normally is, so I'm sitting at around 900 RPMs right now at idle. Original wheels sandblasted and powder coated. And that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below. I'll try and answer them.